Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I'm going to give you a detailed review and guide to the PowerPack 5-in-1 convertible photo light reflector. So let's get started. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. I recently started doing some portrait photography and having a reflector is a must, I guess. It can help you work with just one light as it serves as the perfect fill light for your portraits. And I bought the PowerPack 5-in-1 collapsible photo light reflector from Amazon for around 885 rupees. The product comes in this bag and inside here is the reflector. Now be careful because as soon as you open this up, it's gonna expand. It's quite big. I can even use it as a backdrop. Just hang it on the wall with this and that can be it. But it has creases, so the backdrop may not be perfect. But they are not selling it as a backdrop. They have sold it to me as a reflector, so I can't complain there. It has 5 sides, black. This is silver. I unzip the outer cover. Here it is, white and gold. If you are shooting outdoors, this gold side will be very useful to reflect the light of the sun. And this is the diffuser. So if I have to use the gold side, for example, I simply zip it back the other way around. If a person has to hold this, it can be a task as it is a bit heavy and big. It is foldable, so I can easily fold it once from the middle and then just wrap it around till you make a circle shape and place it in the bag carefully. Now let's take it out again and start shooting. So here I have my Godox Optacon Softbox light. First I will click the without the reflector to show you how much of a difference it can make. So let's click. As you can see, I have one light, so one part is in shadow. Now I place the white part of the reflector to the side opposite to my key light so that it acts as my fill light, and click. Here the reflector reduces the shadows to quite an extent. Now the silver side. Not much difference, but yeah, silver does bring a glow. Now the gold side. Let's click. We get a nice golden glow. The back side is not gonna reflect any light. Black absorbs the light, it does not reflect the light. So I can use it to cut the light in case I want to shape the light in a particular way. So I place the reflector to the portion of the light I want to cut or block and fire the flash and click. See how I can create dramatic with just one light and reflector. Last is the diffuser. Let's get rid of the cover and place this in front of the key light to spread it more evenly. That's what diffusers do. They help in distributing the light evenly to a larger area and also makes the light softer. See the effect? So guys, this was my detailed review of the PowerPack 5-in-1 collapsible photo light reflector, and it works amazing guys. It's easy to carry, difficult to hold, but it can allow you to click some very creative portraits or product shots using just one light. as it can serve as the perfect fill light for you. And in case you found this video to be useful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous product review. Please do check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.